Hey, what's up guys? Thanks so much for tuning in. My name's Royce, and today we're gonna be unboxing the DroneMax P40 by Energen. So let's do it. So here it is. Let's unbox it. All right. Get it out. Get out. Get out of there. Here we go. All right, so this is it, the DroneMax P40, and this is a portable power station for your drone's battery. So you can charge your batteries for your drones on the go, which is necessary because we all know that drone batteries do not last that long. So inside, okay, here we go. So inside the box, we have the actual bag carrying case for the battery. Open it up. Cool. And then inside is the actual power station itself, DroneMax, the battery, whatever you want to call it. I like power station. So we have the DroneMax P40 itself, and then we have, let's see what this is. Probably just some documentation. Cool. Some cards registered for free warranty, free extended warranty. Some other cards, information, please read. And quick start guide, it's nice. And more manuals and things. We'll just set that aside. We have the DroneMax itself. I like this. It has like these little two handles on the side here so you can grip it. Very well built, sturdy, protected. Yeah, this is heavy duty. So this is perfect too for you guys that like to go to extreme places with your drone. I just go to the park. I'm not ready for mountain climbing and all that stuff. I'm not ready. And then inside this little zipper, we have, what do we got? This up. Okay, so we have the strap for the carrying case here. So we hook that up, carry it with us. So we don't have to use the handle right here. I like that. And then inside this little bag, just, there we go. Oops, okay, cool. So we have the actual cables. It comes with the cables, which are nice. So if you fly a DJI drone like myself, this will work with I have the Phantom 4 Pro, so this works with the Phantom 4 series, Phantom 3, and we have the chargers here to reflect that. All right, so this is it. These are the cables. Get the right ones from me. So now I'm gonna press the power button, see how much juice we got. Oh snap, I don't know if you can see that, but I think this one's fully charged. Sweet, cool, so we can test this right now. I have my two Phantom 4 batteries right here. So we got one bar here, and this one's got two. So it needs some juice. So you just plug this in here. And then you plug these guys into your battery, like so. Then once you have those plugged in, I think all you have to do is hit this. Let's see, are they going? Nope. What do you have to do? Let's see. Let me see. Probably should have read that manual. It said, please read. Oh, you know what? Actually remember them saying that it works similar to the Phantom, where you press it once and then hold it down again to start it. There we go. I think, yeah. Are they charging? Cool. So yeah, they're charging now. So what's so awesome about this is while you're flying, you run out of battery, you pop this out, plug it in here, and you keep going, keep going. So I have 3 batteries. So this one is fully charged, so I can go out right now, fly with this guy. First one runs out, you plug it in, and then you have the other 2. And so by the time you get to that 3rd one, then you should be ready to go to kind of continue the cycle. All right, so bringing the box back out, here's some facts on here. It says it can recharge a drone battery more than 4 times, and it recharges 4 drone batteries simultaneously, which you can see here, and that's nice. So it doesn't charge one until it's all the way full and then charges the next and next and next. So these are all charging at the exact same time, which will help speed up the process, which is sweet. And as an added bonus, there are 2 USB ports here on the front as well, which means you can take your little phone charging cable, put it in the right way. There we go. Take out your phone. So now you can be charging your phone and your drone batteries all at the same time, and it's just a battery charging party, is what it is. I'm gonna put this. So the DroneMax P40 is $399, $400, so it's definitely not cheap, but considering how much you fly, if this is something you're doing all the time, if this is, you know, your profession, how you make money, this is definitely worth it, as you can see, to improve your flying time by at least double, which is awesome. But you know, if you're just flying for fun or something like that, and you fly, run out of your batteries, and then that's good, you're about like an hour, get an hour's worth of time, and that's all you need, then, you know, maybe you might not need this. But for me, I definitely can see myself using this a lot. This will come in handy a lot. And there you have it, the DroneMax P40 by Energen. So I'm gonna take this out, fly around, have some fun, let y'all know how it is. Cool, see you later. Oh, and if you liked this video and you found it helpful and all that good stuff, go ahead and like and subscribe. Sweet, appreciate it. All right, catch y'all later. These are important.